Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
ka jingalang juga Kynhun Myntri jang sarkar jilla kablalang hapulu Orchid Resort hagishnong soara gish pautre ukala lingkot arajar pausan klaminjil banwanra igajing Pynbeit Thymmai haga Meghalaya factories rule kakanais ba prapau hagajing kran bigila pathai kubor Myntri ang ba ka jilla ukonrat ke sangma ulethu bagajing wanra igajing Pynbeit Thymmai kelong banya ringkat ba ka sarkar India ban pensuk igi beri ki bakwa ban seng i karkhana bat kiwe kijinan kam Haga ni gajing lang ka Kynhun Myntri raya thiria tairu halo ka anro jonga Meghalaya ceiling on government guarantors bill arajar pausan ya ka ba ansara ban yo jimenjur haga ye darbar thau an jonga jella bat kumju ru haga be day baga jipin bet Thymmai ya ka Meghalaya fiscal responsibility and budget management act arajar hnrio.
We have also today brought in the bill for the Meghalaya's ceiling on government guarantees bill 2025. As you're aware that government time to time guarantees the loans taken by different government agencies like MECL or MTDC or MTC. So the loans are taken by these agencies, but the banks sometimes require the government to guarantee these loans. And we have done this for many organizations, mostly MECL. But this was done without a proper, you can say, a mechanism or a structure. And hence, Government of India, especially the RBI, has asked different governments, state governments, to come up with an act that would put a ceiling or a structure overall to these government guarantees that are there, which means how much can a state government give in a particular year, how much can a government guarantee for loans taken by different agencies, up to what limit, what are the rules to be followed, so on and so forth. This particular act will define the Meghalaya ceiling on government guarantees. So therefore, this bill today was brought in the cabinet. We have passed it, and accordingly we will be presenting it in the assembly during the budget session to be clear.